We here in Cannock are really passionate about our products and what we do for Gentili. Gentili, Italian owned, 51 years this year. We do small facilities vehicles and they're a lot more volume in terms of the turnover. They might only be one simple piece of racking, a flooring, a couple of beacons and a light, but it absolutely serves the purpose for what those vehicles are. We're very proud of what we do at the end of the day. These are the guys' workstation, what we used to have as a workshop. The whole ethos of them being able to be out in the field and use everything they need to be out and about and fix things. This is a hybrid version of our Infinity, which is our premium range, and our standard steel conversion, specifically that Scottish Power wanted us to do, and we were able to meet their needs on that to make a aesthetically pleasing and lightweight but durable conversion. One of the things Scottish Power specifically specified was they wanted a very durable floor that would be hard wearing and wouldn't damage over a period of time. We know these vehicles are out in all kinds of conditions, in all weather. We went through a series of tests with different flooring providers, and this turned out to be the most suitable for every need that the customer wanted and what Gentili could fit. So it was a perfect match in terms of what Scottish Powers wanted and what we could fit for them. We don't just put a piece of racking in a van and that's the end of it. It's well thought, it's well considered, and clearly looks like a really professional piece of kit.